These are the nests built by birds on thorny tree. At the same time, we have one more different kind of nest here. There are no eggs, but during this season the birds might have laid the eggs here, and the new generation of birds might have come into existence. Now this nest is of no use to the birds, and hence it is outdated. Next season, new nest will be built by birds. I remember a ghazal written by me. घर नव्याने पुन्हा बांधले पाहिजे, जळमटांना जुन्या जाळले पाहिजे. This is how the birds being living in such a kind of forest area. They make their nests every year. New season, new nests, new generation, new happiness. Everything is new. So nature is the name of novelty. Thank you.